Hey guys, we're doing the 4-box break team draw. It's 11:51 p.m. Melbourne time. Random is live. Participants dice roll. We're going 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Ooh, heartburn like a mother. Jesus. And teams 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Random is complete. The teams are Zach O'Toole with the Cavs and the Hornets, Tim Davis and Pistons, Thomas Oliver Celtics, Mark Zara Kings, Johnny Deegan Knicks, Albie Jazz, Joel Klein Raptors, Mr. Lalaga with the Bucks, Albie Blazers, Oliver Grizz, Aaron Price with the Hawks, Mark Guilford Lakers, Scott Miller Mavericks, Ash Peters Sixers, Albie with the Pelicans, Joel Costa Nets, Sean Thun Wizards, Tony Jackson Clippers, Sean Thun Bulls, Zach O'Toole Warriors, Ruben Rennie Rockets, James Bult Suns and Nuggets, Mark Zara Pacers, Daniel Thorpe Spurs, Manion with the Magic, Darren Gibbs T-Wolves, Sanson on with the Heat, and Simi Osman with the Thunder. And that's the teams. Break will start at 12:15 p.m. AM Melbourne time.